I'm just going to be real here. I don't really know what I'm doing with the financial side of things. Um, I grew up in a value system that did not put much importance on money, and so I don't have a relationship with wealth and money and finances that I'd like to have. So I am sort of in a process of re-education of myself in order to get the right perspective. So my wife and I pay our bills. We have we have the means to take care of our family right now, but there are some missing pieces that we haven't put together yet. We may be on the right track, but it doesn't feel right now like we know what we're doing. Maybe that's similar for a lot of entrepreneurs. So I'm starting a content creation business. My wife is starting well into her coaching business, ADHD life coaching, which is great. And she's doing really well. She's got some good leads and some income coming in there. I'm all over the place trying to figure out what I'm doing. And there's just there's just a lot of things that are competing for my time and energy. So while I want to be working on my business ideas and developing that, I have my family takes priority, and so there's a lot of projects to be done. There's a lot of time to be spent with people. My parents are moving onto the property soon, so I want to make sure that that transition is smooth for everyone. I got to take care of my own health, so there's just a lot. It's very complicated to in our stage of life to be starting something new, something entrepreneurial. Startups often take a ton of time and energy, and at the stage of life that we are at, the time and energy are limited. So it's a little bit frustrating sometimes. Still have hope, and I'm still going to keep pressing forward, but I don't have a whole lot of great financial advice, to be honest. And I just want to be upfront about that right now. I'll be learning over the next several months and years, I'm sure, and I'll share some of those things that I've been learning, but right now I just don't have a lot. I feel like I've got a lot going for me as far as taking care of my family emotionally and physically, but not necessarily financially yet. So I'm more at the beginning of that journey than I would like to admit. But I'm still learning, and I'm going to press forward, and we'll see what happens.